Claude projects matter because learning with AI fails when context resets. A project turns scattered chats into a focused workspace with its own knowledge base, instructions, and chat history, so Claude can keep working inside the same goal instead of starting cold every session. Claude Help Center. The bottleneck is not intelligence, the bottleneck is repeated explanation. Without a project, every study session becomes setup, paste the goal, resend documents, restate tone, rebuild assumptions. That wastes attention before learning even begins. A project changes context from a temporary message into reusable infrastructure. Claude can use uploaded documents, text, code, and files as background for chats inside that project, while project instructions shape how it responds. Claude Help Center. Organized learning requires boundaries. One project can hold a course, another can hold research, another can hold writing practice. Claude notes that context is not shared across chats unless it is added to project knowledge, which makes intentional organization essential. Claude Help Center. A strong project has 4 layers: goal, source material, operating rules, and active conversations. The goal defines direction. The knowledge base stores references. Instructions control behavior. Chats become focused work sessions. Claude supports project files up to 30 megabytes each with unlimited files as long as total content fits within context limits. Supported formats include PDF, CSV, TXT, HTML, JSON, XLSX, and common image formats. Claude Help Center. When project knowledge grows near context limits, paid Claude plans can automatically enable RAG, expanding project capacity by up to 10x. Instead of loading everything, Claude searches the project knowledge and retrieves what matters. Claude Help Center. The workflow is simple: create the project, upload core materials, write persistent instructions, start focused chats, then refine the knowledge base as understanding improves. Anthropic recommends using projects for anything referenced multiple times. Claude Help Center. The impact is compounding. Claude no longer answers isolated questions. It works inside a living study environment. Anthropic reports that North Highland used Claude for content creation and analysis up to 5x faster. In a customer example, Anthropic, the real shift is not better prompting, it is structured memory around goals. Claude projects teach the core habit of modern AI learning: stop asking from scratch, start building a workspace that improves every time you use it.